Hi everybody, today in front of me I have Xiaomi Poco F4 GT smartphone, and in this video we are going to demonstrate how you can activate the keyboard clipboard on this device. So first of all, call up for the keyboard anywhere. I'll use the Google search bar for it. Here, locate this very icon that basically stands for the clipboard itself. Tap on it, and in order to activate the clipboard, all that it's left to do is to turn on this switch. In order to manage the elements you have at the clipboard, tap on this pencil, choose what elements you want to remove, and then tap on this trash bin. In order to add anything to the clipboard, you gotta copy it. So, for example, I'll type in the word car, select and copy it, and if I'll get back to the clipboard, I'll see that the car element has been successfully added to it. And now from the clipboard itself, you can paste any element you have. Alrighty, so that was it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.